Yes, my wonderful people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again, my people. I want to know me go to work already, you know, my people. We don't have to ask nobody nothing about J Progress, you know. And nobody don't have to tell you nothing, you know, because you already know how me go to work. So without further ado, my lovely people, make we just mix up the gravy, you know. Take the meat off of the bone, no, and go straight to work. We now waste no time on that one, yeah. Policeman under probe after colleague was unalive during traffic stop. Him own police colleague dirt him, run him over, drive over him. Another police who know what traffic stop is like and everything. Run over him other police friend, and today is no longer among the land of the living, me people. Make we jump in at the story for you, please and thanks. A member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force is under investigation in connection with the unalive of one of his colleagues. Police High Command order a probe of the policeman following the unalive of Constable Rashan Lee on Thursday afternoon in hospital. Constable Lee, who was attached to the Highway Safety and Patrol Division at the Ferry Police Station, people, was admitted to hospital Wednesday night in serious condition after the motor car driven by the policeman ran him over along the Edward Seago Highway. What a wicked colleague, man. What a wicked colleague. And me and you out here do the same work with a police. We go through the same training school. You know the procedure, you know everything. And me put up a traffic stop with up here, you still run me over, brother. Me, you see a girl you run over the man over to, you know. You see over them policeman, yeah? I never see another set of jealous people, so. Ladies, if you no can avoid any man, you no avoid police. I never see a set of man will love get rid of woman so yet too. Them jealous till them fool. If I know the bonner man, them get rid of. Let me tell you, one thing with J Progress. Me a married man now, so me not look nobody. But if me when I look woman, right? Once me hear say that woman there with a policeman, me no want her. I want big old red X me sip on her for it like a so. From she tell me say she there with a policeman. Because me know how policeman tan. Policeman is very jealous and policeman will take you away from the land of the living for little and nothing when it come on to girl. And nobody feel like you alone, no. Don't bother feel like you alone, them a take away to you know. All the woman them a get rid of too. Cause so then tan. I don't know if when them man go to police school. Then drilling at their head, so when you turn police, you go get whole heap of bun. When you turn police, man, you go dig your woman when you're on night shift or when you're there work. Or when you're there one different parish at work. When you turn police, you have to protect your woman by all costs. When you turn police, as a man name call for your woman, you go and go get rid of him. And get rid of the woman to the best thing for you. Because that don't work for nobody in the police force. I don't know what they might tell them in a police thing. But all I know, sitting wrong with police up here so when they come on to relationship. Ladies, you don't have to take my safe feet. If you don't want to know, you don't go and go there with the police. Me come on the funeral come ball. If you don't want to take my message right here. Alright. Anyway, make we move on. Superintendent Lanford Salman, who is in charge of the Highway Safety and Patrol Division, right, said sometime after 11 p.m., a police team was conducting a vehicular checkpoint operation when a motor vehicle was observed speeding in the left lane. Here comes the little dirty wicked police boy. We go come run over a squaddy. A speeder come. The driver was signaled to stop. And it initially appeared he was complying. So he slowed down. He slow down now, you know. Because me, you see a girl him run over somebody over, so me don't know, you know. Where he knows a policeman you're from. Remember, so me get here, so me give you know. Right? A story me I tell. Me get the information, me can come. Me comment section, we correct everything in it after. But me have to bring the story to me people them. Right? Him appear as if he go stop then. But he come like him a slow down and say, me want to get you right in range, just say, boy. Go right in the middle over there, so. Right there, so me want you. And as in going at the middle and going, want him go so, boom! Run him over to rotted. He own Squady, another policeman. What a wicked Squady. You think some of them Squady are easy? Enough time to see how no house a tear down and baiting a go on no bar or rob a man in a mask and no put it past some of them. Believe me when me tell you that. The motorist in fact slowed down and then suddenly the vehicle went straight and collided with the policeman. He received some injuries and he was rushed to the Senans Bay Hospital. Superintendent Salman recounted. Constable Lee was later transferred to the Kingston Public Hospital, where, you know what, no longer among the land of the living. Remember when me tell you that? And me I go tell you something now. The police high command is saddened now by the death of Constable Rashan Lee, who unalive as a result of injuries sustained in a motor vehicle collision on the North-South Highway in St. Anne on Wednesday, January 31st. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is expressing condolences to the family, friends and colleagues of Constable Lee, who was assigned to the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch. Constable Lee was hit by a motor vehicle while conducting vehicular checkpoints operation in the vicinity valley area, the Unity Valley area of highway at about 11 p.m. He succumbed to his injuries while being treated at the hospital on Thursday, February 1st. The force, yes man, a ball right now, them feel it for the youth. The entire police force. A regular, you know, them thing happen, you know. Me I go add this to the little story. A little youth from in a St. Mary lose him life too. Right? And him lose him life by a policeman. And then me have some young police. I want to know young police hype and show off already. The youth got mothers go look something for them. And based on how me get the story. Him cutting him, the police boy them apart with a girl and the girl cut the line in front of the youth. And of course you are going to make an argument, because if me hungry and somebody cut the line before me, that means you are going to get food before me and me hungry, so me have to talk about it. So me would have talk about it too. So that me not put that past nobody. Before you know it and the youth a try to say my girl Ray and blah, box in them face. And them start beat the youth. Right? Things and things happen. And he escalate. Next thing you know, the police boy run out of mothers, run go for him firearm, and come back and pump a shot in the youth. And you think of that alone? Based on what me understand. The same police boy who pumped that the shot said this brawling a badness it name. Jesus. You don't care the kind of people you protect people's life? Me don't know how to recruit police officers these days. But you know see some little old mother around go take up from all kind of place, some old time criminal, them a man arrest and them man them on the road. I give them uniform and I give them firearm to go board them and protect people. You don't realize, look on this one you run over your colleague. Look on this one you know we got mothers go pump shot in the little young youth. Quiet little youth, good youth. People under mourning, the family them under mourning. For what? Why you do that? Because they come like them police, young police boy. All them do is go party, go drink up one per rum. And can't contain themselves. And then them go have service pistol. And then FLA give enough of them. Lights to firearm quick and fast too. And don't know say them a little boy are jumpy and trigger happy. Jumpy and trigger happy. And just like how they will get rid of your girl, I saw them show off when them see girl same way. Them not take no talk. Them not identify themselves say yeah, them a police or nothing. So you and them they are road, you and them catch up. Next thing you know, the first thing they want to do a shot box in your face. And which big man got turn up make man box them in their face. I mean don't know who you, where you come from, who you be, nothing. The difference is, you know, if a man identify himself say I'm a police before the altercation and then shot your box in your face, you're more unlikely to be, you know. You're more than likely to relax yourself because you know see a police and, you know, Ray. But no random man now just come back in your face and you're no idiot. After you no ban back a cow when your mama gonna market. You see it? But them your young police boy, all them do, go up on road, go drink up this bag of rum and bother with them hype thing and go on like them are the baddest thing in the road. Cause how you gonna shoot a law-abiding civilian and turn around and go see a badness it name and even attempted to run left the scene? A good thing somebody catch the license plate number and they could have track them down and find out who. When you check it out, a couple police involved, cause I be a police when I par. Who no tell me if them the boy if he dead at prison? Them the police boy if he dead at prison. Them no fi see back the light at the outer road because you don't know the rules, you don't know the regulation, you don't know the policy, you don't know everything because you don't got training school. But guess what? You know only got training school if you go get the people them uniform and walk up and down with big gun and go on like you know a bad man. You don't know no principle, you don't know fit to serve and protect the citizens of Jamaica. You know help make the crime rate go up too. Because you tell me this now. You no kill all a man little brother like that just now. So you no unalive a man little brother like that just so. You no tell me what happen to Uno. Cause 3/4 of the time them not lock up for long cause you police. If you're not careful, then let him off of the case and say, boy, it acquitted. Then throw out the case. So you no tell me now what happened to that the police boy when him come a road. Or what happened to the whole of them when it did it. That me assure you know. And this is one of the reasons why crime so hard to stop in a Jamaica. Too much unfair dirt in a guan. Too much people are unalive for no reason. For some little petty reason. Fi cut a line in a fast food place. And a man talk up for him rights. And the next thing he gets to talk up for him rights. He's a gunshot in a stomach. Come on, man. We can do better than that, man. Now what kind of police we have a serve the country? Eh? Where them a police a come from? And then we go up on top of that. A badness in name. You're no police. You're a gangster. So a gangster treatment you get. You fi there one place and just get dashed too. Cause you're a gangster then. A so your thing fi go. How you go to jail house and don't see back road. Period. Anyway, my people, I right there some me a lefty. Remember me people, tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you know, you don't have to ask somebody nothing. Nobody not have to tell you no nothing. Because what? You know already know how J Progress go to work. And remember, you know, no matter how them a camouflage, no matter how them a fake, just remember say, I have one J Progress and there is no other. 15K we are going to march and we know we can do it. Believe.